Hey everyone, Ramcubed here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to increase your computer speed for free. This is very easy, and we're going to be increasing your computer's virtual memory. So what you want to do is head over to the start button, go up to computer, and right click, go down to properties, click on that, and once you've clicked on that, you're going to get some information about your computer. So as you guys can see, I'm running on a 64-bit operating system, and I've got 4 GB in RAM. So we need to increase our virtual RAM. So what we want to do is go over to Advanced System Settings, which is just over here on the left. And as you guys can see, we get this. Now under the Advanced tab right up here at the top, you want to go down to Performance and click on Settings. And once you've clicked on Settings, you want to go to the Advanced tab again on the top, and as you guys can see, we've got this section saying virtual memory, and as you guys can see, it says 4061 MB. That's all the size for all the drivers on my computer. So I'm going to click on change, of course, and if this box is already checked, just uncheck it and just click on custom size. And now this is always different for everyone. Now this depends on your RAM. So I've got 4 GB RAM, and you basically want to times it by 1024. So I'm just going to get the calculator out. Not that we need it, but I think it helps explain the process. It helps people understand the process a lot easier. So basically, if we have so if I've got 4 GB RAM, I'm going to times 1024 by 4. If you've got 6 GB, you're going to times it by 6. But I've got 4 GB, so I'm going to times it by 4 first off, and I've got 4096. So what we want to do from here is just times this by 2. So we've got 8192, and that is what we're going to be entering in our final initial size and maximum size. So I'm just gonna, and for the other box, 2. So once this is done, just click set and just click OK, and it's going to give you a little warning. It's going to say the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So you can go ahead and restart your computer. So yeah, I hope this does help, and I will see you guys in the next vid. Peace. I'm out.